Good afternoon, and thank you for coming out to celebrate this very special occasion today as we celebrate the wedding of Cory and Dana Argo. This is a special time for us as we see these two come together. They believe with all of their heart that the Lord has brought them together, and this is going to be a great time of celebration as we spend it with them.
Gonna get married. Somebody else.
Since Cory and Dana have been together, she has flourished in the best ways. Cory's fun-loving personality allows people to feel at home. Cory, I believe you bring out the best parts of Dana, her caring and generous nature, her can-do attitude, and her contagious joy for life. I wish you both a life full of love, good health, and happiness.
So Cory asked me if I had written anything down. Nope, I have not. I lied to you last night. No, Dana and Cory, I'm happy that you're all together. I am glad that Dana came back in your life because I think she did calm you down a lot. I mean, I was happy that she came because I think she is just the one that you needed. And I think that she loves the kids. I mean, you couldn't be any more lucky to have her. So, I'm happy for you. So, all right.
Cory, today I give myself to you without hesitation. From the moment you came to pick me up for our last first date, I knew you were the one I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. I could feel it in your heart and see it in your eyes. I did not believe someone could fall in love so quickly until I met you. I truly believe fate led us to cross each other's paths again. In you, I have found a man who cherishes me and puts my own happiness before his own. I promise to love you when the sun is shining, when the rain is downpouring, and sickness and in health, through the good times and the bad times. From this day forward, I promise you, you will never be alone. I will always be by your side. I promise to always remain faithful to you, to never lie, betray, or hurt you. I promise to always put our relationship first and to ignore any outside noise that may cause troubles in our life. I promise to be the peace you need and to keep our home filled with happiness and laughter. I may not love you perfectly, but I promise to love you with all of my heart and not an ounce less. I may stumble, I may disagree, and I will obviously cry for no reason, but I promise to always try to remain level-handed and find a solution to any problems we may face together. And Cory, one more thing. I promise as much as I ask and beg, I promise I won't bring home any other dogs.
You have gone from a friend, confidant, girlfriend, and fiance, now my wife, that is also my best friend. I love so many things about you, from your love of bees, in which I promise to never kill one again, to being kind-hearted to all people no matter the circumstances, to your honesty and how you feel towards everything, to your patience in which I test on a daily basis. Most of all, to the unconditional love for mine, now our children. You have included them in all of our events and consider their feelings and needs. You have put them at the top of the list just below me. I vow to always keep up with all important dates and remind you that I know them, to always listen to you and not give you my opinion right then, to always give it a day or two, so you can have time to understand where I may be coming from, to always have closet arguments that we later laugh about, to always try not to judge you on you putting things where they go or lack of decision making on what to eat. Most of all, I vow to be your biggest supporter in all you pursue, to have your back as you have had mine, to always be open and honest in all things. I make these vows in understanding that they are for life. I love you forever and always.
Well, because this afternoon we've exchanged vows before the Lord, you guys have exchanged rings before your friends and family, it is my privilege and my pleasure, by the powers invested in me by the state of Tennessee and my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.